Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also uploaded a subsequent video which was on an introduction to Mendeley referencing. Please do well to go through so that you can have a better understanding of this tutorial. So today we are looking at Mendeley interface, how it is organized, and I'll let you know more about how the Mendeley interface looks like, how you can upload articles, how you can do citations as well. So when you open your Mendeley library, so with the subsequent video, you could know how to log in. So if you have not watched, kindly watch it. Now when you open your Mendeley library, you have this interface where all your articles will appear. All those you have uploaded, they will appear. All those you want to cite, they would appear. Often when you create a new account, it is blank. Okay, yeah. So now there is all references where all the references we have will show. I have 33 references here. So they all show over here. Now we come to the recent added. The recent added shows either yesterday's or some few days articles that you have added to your library. Okay, if it is about a week, it wouldn't be under your recently added. Now, recently read are those that you viewed them. You know, when you upload the article on your Mendeley library, you could view it through Mendeley library. You just have to click on it and you view it. Okay. Yes. So in order to view it in Mendeley, it comes under the recently read. Your favorites ones are those that you star them. So let me go to all references and show you how to mark favorites. So you have to just star. And you click on it, it marks it as a favorite. It marks this as a favorite. So when I come back to my favorites, you find those two articles over there. Can you see that? Yes. Yes. So my publications to refers to when, if you have published a paper or someone has cited you in a paper, then it will show that it will show at this end so they can claim it from Scopus. Okay. Now this one, it is for people who have published before, and so if you don't have publications, this part you didn't really need it. But if you have a publication and someone cites your work and all that, you can claim your profile from Scopus. Okay. Yes. And then they're unsorted. Often when you upload the files, some of them look disorganized. They are not under any category. So Mendeley automatically puts them under unsorted. It doesn't mean like they are not needed or something. Yes. Then duplicates. If mistakenly you upload articles more than once, the same one more than once, they will appear under the duplicates. Okay. And then your trash. That's where all your deleted references are. These ones I've deleted them. Now let me show you how you can delete something. When you go to all your references, you select those you want to delete. So select those, you choose this checkbox. So you click on this, you click on that. Now you check at the bottom, you see move to trash. You see mark as, copy as, export. Yes, now mark to trash. It will go to your trash. Okay, to go to your trash. Now if you should go to your trash, you are going to see that over there. Okay, yes. So that is it. Also, sometimes, let's say you are doing literature review, introduction, materials and method, but maybe you may be using different articles. So you can decide to create a collection and name it, say, introduction. So this collection is introduction, where you're going to keep articles in it, so that all the articles that will appear there are those that are going to be used for introduction. I hope you get it. So you can mark a number of articles which you have uploaded here, which you are going to use them in introduction. You press on organize, you add collection, then you select the collection. Okay, you select and then you do add. You get it. So when you go to your collection, you'd find those 4 articles over there. Is that not nice? Yes. So that's how simple it is. So that's basically the interface of Mendeley. So if you want to view an article, you just have to click on it like this. If the PDF is not there, you can get the PDF. Click on the get PDF and it will download it automatically and fix it in there for you. If you also uploaded it, the PDF will be there. Okay. Yes. So I'm going to show you that's what is downloading over here. Can you see that? Yes. Yes, that's so simple. So you'll be able to view a PDF in Mendeley and pick all the information you need and then read in Mendeley. So you get it. So this is what I was talking about, the reading. Yes, the reading. Yeah. So now when you are done, I'm going to show you how you are going to upload a reference, okay? How to upload a reference. So you see this add new, you click on it. There are many ways: importing as the file, importing folders, importing as a library, watch folder, adding reference manually. Now the manually has to do with using a DOI number to generate, or you enter it by hand. Like you type everything manually, pick the article, then you pick the author's name, you type it yourself and all that, which is tedious. I would advise. But first, let's start with the importing file from computers or from computer. So you click on it, it sends you to your files. So my files are in my desktop. So my desktop. Yes, so I have some articles here. So let's say I want to upload this particular article. I just press on the open and it will upload it on my Mendeley library. That's it loading over here. It's a bit huge, 7 megabytes, but it will. Now let's continue. Now the next step is for you to import a folder, a whole folder. So if you click on it, this will require you to select a folder and not just a file, okay? So this one, I have this folder with organized references. I have a particular reference based on something, like maybe on the introduction, and I've kept them here. So I just click on that article, that folder, and I press on upload. It will upload all. So there's a command it's giving me. I press on upload all of them. You see that they are loading over here. It will upload all of them. So upload all of them. Yes, so that is how it is done. So you can see that they are appearing as you upload them. Yes, so they will appear in as much as you upload them. So you wait for everything to load and you'll be able to find them. Some of them are already here. This Ali Jadali Ital 2020. Yes, some are also coming. Brogan 2016. This Brogan 2016. And Redal 2016 is here. You get it. So they are all there. You see how simple it is. So you can always organize all your PDFs. Then you upload them on your Mendeley at once. And that's very simple. Now, another way is that this is not done yet. You use this method, the importing library. That's to do with a certain format, like saving the references in a certain file format, which on some websites like PubMed, if you want to download the reference, they'll tell you to save the reference as a BibTeX file. With the BibTeX file, if you have it, you then upload it and to generate the reference from it for you, which I don't often use, yes, because it's a bit technical. Now, how to upload using the manual one. Manual doesn't mean it's manual like you were saying. That's manual. It will need your DOI number of an article, or it will need the PubMed ID, okay, in order to generate the reference for you, okay. So we are going to see how that is done. We're going to see how that is going to be done as well. And so when you open this article, you have a DOI number, you have a PubMed ID. So any of them will work, okay. Any of them will work. So you just copy the link to your DOI number. So after I've copied my DOI number, what I do next is that I'm going to just input the DOI number here. Okay, they are saying DOI number or PubMed ID, that's PM ID. So I will just paste it here. We just press on a search. With internet, it's going to just search and then generates the whole article's details, the author's names, title, the journal, everything for you. It just takes some seconds. Oops, I've gone offline. Alright, so yes, it has worked. That's what I said, network. So you see, it has generated the name, all the authors and all that. So your work is just to press on add entry. Okay, add entry, and it has shown here. Now I'll work with another article, which I'm going to use the PubMed ID. Forget about the PNC ID, use the PubMed PM ID, okay? So with the PM ID, the same procedure. I'm going to add manually, yes, and then you also input it there. When you search, and it's going to also generate it. There's a different article though. So let's wait for some seconds. Alright, so that one has also worked out. The threat of antimicrobial resistance on the human microbiome, and everything is set. So with the normal referencing style, which is, with the manual one, you would have chosen the journal that's a journal, because sometimes it's maybe a book, it may be a conference, a hearing, or whatever. After that, you come and enter the name of the title of the article, the authors. You list them one by one. That's very tedious. You type the name of the journal, the year, the pages where it has been published in the journal, the volume, months, everything. But it's very stressful, okay? So I would advise that you always download the article. If the article demands you to be paid, refer to my video, which I taught on how to download a paid article for free. And then if it needs you to search literature, you can also watch my previous videos. I've explained that well. So they can always get the DOI number or the PubMed ID, and then you'll be able to use it for your work, okay? So that makes things very easy. And yeah, so you're here to press on add entry, and it's going to show in your library just like it is over here. So all too soon, this is all that I would like to let you know about Mendeley. And another thing, sometimes you can search for articles, okay? Like you can search in your library. So use a search bar. Maybe you want to search for an author whose name is, let's say, I read there. When you search, it will show. Okay, the search is there, yes, so to show you. Yes, so you can search. You can also always filter your searches, and then by authors and all that. So these are all other options that are in Mendeley, okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe if you have not, so that another time if I upload a video, you would have it right away. Thank you very much.